students, today we are going to revise one of the writing skill of your syllabus, that is the invitations. Students, we have two types of the format of invitations. One is formal invitation and another one is informal invitations. The invitations can be in the form of like invitation card, which is a formal way of invited people. It can be also in the form of a note or a letter, which is an informal way of inviting people, for instance inviting relatives, friends, colleagues, etc. to attend some particular functions or an occasion such as engagement, marriage, birth, death or public function is an informal invitation. It is an essential part of social etiquette. Informal invitations are addressed in the free handwriting to friends and relatives, but the formal invitations may be in the form of a card or letter. They are addressed in a fixed format to a person in a department having a designation with proper salutations. So guidelines for a formal invitation writing is: number 1, formal invitation don't include the name of the addressee. It means the person who is invited not given the name of that. Formal invitations are always written in third person, that is he, she or it, are used in place of I, you and R. It means we don't use the person such as I, you and R. Always use the format in third person. The occasion, name of the invitee, name of the host, date, day, time, venue, etc. We have to written the proper venue, day, date and time that is related to the event. Some more details like name, designation, address, etc. or organizer, sponsor or host should be included. If a VIP is invited, then the name of the VIP should appear prominently. Student, here is an example of the invitation in the form of the formal invitation. The question is: you are a student of ABC Public School, Saharanpur. You have to draft an invitation for a musical evening to be held in your school. It means that is a formal part of the invitation. It's a form. This is in the form of a card. So student, first of all we have to mention the principal, staff and the students of ABC Public Schools, Saharanpur. First of all, you have to mention the name of the institution, the name of the company to whom the people are invited. And it's take great pleasure in inviting you to a musical evening. It means something, a musical event is going to be held in the school, ABC Public School. You have to mention only the important details that is related to the program is here. You need not to be given so much details but just about the main timings, venue, etc. So the name of the given of program is Tarana. This is the name of program. Suppose it is event any kind of like World Environment Day, it is about the school annual day sports event, then according to this you can change the topic of this program also. And the timing is 6 p.m. on 24th Feb 2021. Where the program will be held? It will be in school auditorium. You have to mention just the main point related to your event, program, etc. RSVP, the person who is invited to you, principal and the phone numbers related to that person, program details, musical concert, that is also already mentioned here, 6 p.m. and the afterwards the dinner 9 p.m. That means to say, if there is any changes, suppose there is a sports event in our school and it will be continue for 1 week, so you have to mention that the sports event will be conducted from this day to this, and the timing will also be mentioned there, and the details about the venue also, and details about all the sports event and day and time already mentioned here. So this is the format of a formal invitation regarding to any institution, school, etc. You have to mention the principal, staff and student, because the main part of the institutions, all three people, principal, staff and students, who are inviting the people of these functions, and then the name of the function or the event here, day, date and time, and venue also you have to mention is there. This is very easy formal type of invitation in the form of a card. So next video we will do some other example related to your formal invitation. Till then you have to practice this one. Thank you. Goodbye.